Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a video. I wanted to get a video out, and a couple days ago I was actually doing a video, a very cool video, something that I never actually thought about before then, but it's whatever. So that video will come out soon, and yeah. Today, we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Now, a while ago, I came out with a Subway Surfers video, but upon seeing the recording, the video, it wasn't looking too good because the recording of the game it was recording it sideways. So, this one, I actually figured out how to do it to where it records the game properly. And this is a Christmas update. Christmas background update, even though it's a little bit past Christmas, but it's whatever. So, it's probably because I don't really play the games that I have on my iPad, so the background update sticks until I close the app. It did that with the Fruit Slice game too, so yeah. As you can hear, it plays Christmas songs. And then look, our character's actually in a blizzard. It's just normal Subway Surfers, but with a nice Christmas background update. Play a couple rounds of this. I don't have keys though, so that sucks. But at least the game records properly now, so that's nice. And I'm gonna get more videos out. I've got spring shoes. I want to test this out on a train, of course, but it runs out before I can do that. Yeah, so this is a sequel to the other Subway Surfers video. But it actually records properly this time, and I died again. I'll use a skateboard if I have one. Yes, I do. I don't really care about all this because I don't play the game that often. I would like to get a treasure box though, and open it on the video, so that'd be nice. See, it's just there's so many more trains, I feel like. Like, trains don't usually spawn in rows like this. Like that? No, that doesn't usually happen. There's usually 2 trains on each side with one in the middle, space in the middle for you to run through. But I guess with this update, it just... got another boost, or whatever. I thought that was something I could go with. Alright, well that's gonna be it for this one. So... yeah, I've got another video that I'm gonna do on a calculator app that I'm gonna review, because I have a calculator app and I haven't done a video on it. And I also have a drawing app that I'm gonna do a video on that I haven't done a video on it. So yeah, I'm gonna create a masterpiece for the drawing app. It's a really good drawing app. And then with the calculator one, with the calculator app, I'm just gonna review it because it's a good calculator app. It's a talking calculator app. So yeah.